Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is an efficient blood cell segmentation for the detection of hematological disorder. And the abstract of the project is the automatic segmentation of blood cells for detecting hematological disorders is a crucial job. It has a pivotal role in the diagnosis, treatment planning, and output evaluation. This process, a hybrid CNN unit-based blood cell segmentation approach which may be used for detecting various hematological disorders. Our prime contributions are more accurate seed point and improved segmentation performance by employing a hybridized versions of CNN unit technique, retaining the benefits of both approaches. It is computationally efficient approach since it hybridized non-iterative-geometric and algebraic methods. Moreover, we propose to estimate the mirror and major axes based on the residue offset factors. The residue offset parameters proposed here yields more accurate segmentation with proper EF. Our method is compared with the state-of-the-art method. It outperforms the existing EF technique in terms of dye similarity, Jaccard score, precision, and F1 score. It may be used for our medical and cybernetic applications. And the flow diagram of the project is first we need to start the program and select the original and ground truth data set of blood cell images, and it will apply into data pre-processing method. In data pre-processing, we scale the original and ground truth images, and then it will apply into feature selection model. In feature selection, split the dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. Then it will directly apply into the convolutional neural network unit model, and it will train the blood cell original and ground truth image and compare the both image and if predict the hematological disorders in the images and provide the result based on accuracy, precision, recall, F1 measure, and Jaccard. I have run my project in Google Cloud. This is the model summary of unit architecture model. And the unit accuracy is 81% and validation accuracy is 74%. And die coefficient score is 29% and IOU score is 17, and recall is 0.2302 and precision is 0.6240, and the validation die coefficient score is 0.2546 and validation IOE is 0.1478 and validation recall is 0.3259 and validation precision is 0.4167. The evaluation of the final metrics value is accuracy is 83% and the F1 score is 26, Jaccard is 0.20380, recall is 0.23470 and precision is 0.42919.